Hey guys, today we are gonna be playing Airplane 4 with Navya.
Yes. I'm very excited to go on trip.
With Navya. Oh, we got somebody, a companion. Hey
Yeah.
Royce, do you wanna?
What is her name?
I think Rosie. Rosie's. Tejas. Hi Tejas. Oh god. Tejas just. Oh no, Tejas isn't. Hey Tejas.
Okay, we three are going.
We three are going.
This time we're gonna choose General Poncho. No one ever chooses General Poncho. Right?
Yeah.
So this time we're gonna choose General Poncho. Everyone goes with that other guy. We'll see what happens to General Poncho.
What it Rosie is like him. New friend Rosie. Yes. Yeah. Rosie's 423. Shout out to Rosie's 423.
Yeah.
Wakey, eggs and bakey.
Looks like we're having that for breakfast. I hope. I want burgers. Yummy.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Today is the big day. What big day? Let me remind you, we're flying to the Rohamas. Oh my god!
Bro,
okay,
I don't remember anything of this game. I had played it before. Oh well, it's okay.
Let's go down and get some.
We're so used to jumping off the railing.
I know, I just... Oh my god. Hey dad, what's happening? None of you have done your baggage.
I think he is like a ghost because you can go
You can go through him.
He's a
That's
ghost.
weird.
That's a ghost. Okay, that's it. Whoever doesn't have the baggage ready before breakfast not going to the trip.
Oh my. Yeah. What did he type? Oh my god, he typed. Yes, great.
Let's remember where everything is, so we don't waste time. Okay. The airplane.
I really want to go to the trip.
Yep. What are we gonna do? Don't even remember where my clothes are. Yeah. That's why I'm just doing all this stuff. Unicorn heart.
Don't you think we should stay down and see what everybody is doing?
Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We have 45 seconds to explore the house and see where everything is. Then we can start packing. Though I know everything, where everything is, let's do it again. Cookie t-shirt, nice. Then this lightning, earthquake, Then this blue and grey pants. Let's go that.
Oh, the boy sneakers are in the boys' room?
Yeah. Yes or no? What are these guys chatting, bro?
Oh my god, I don't think they're gonna be able to come to the trip.
Yeah.
Heart and unicorn t-shirt in the girls' room because girls are pink. Yeah, girls' skin color is pink.
Okay, guys, time to start packing. Let's go.
Oh god, I didn't think we explored. It's in the boys' room. Hopefully. Okay. Hopefully. Is it in the boys' room? Yes.
Oh, nice. Nice, remember.
Nice.
Mm.
Bro just came to pack. Yeah, we should start packing.
Bro, I want to jump off the railings, but it's too dangerous. Bro, I put on these shoes and they look like clothes.
Yeah, we should start packing quick.
Who cares?
I just type now. I know, but still, we should type. We should interact with them. Wait, let me type for you. Okay, fine. In the next one, when we're done. In the next one. Oh, boys' room.
Yeah, I did not realize we got the next thing to pack. Bro. I'm like Spider-Man just climbing onto the shelves when I want something. Oh my gosh, I want to jump down the railings. It's too dangerous. If you can see, I had put the shoes earlier and they look like clothes.
Quick, guys, quick. Okay, Lego. I think we're done. Oh, no. Cookie t-shirt. Where was the cookie t-shirt again?
It was in the boys' room.
No, I think it was in the girls' room.
Let's see.
Yeah,
See,
oh.
it's in the boys' room.
All of our things have been in the boys' room.
No, one thing was in the girls' room, I think.
No. The sneakers were in the boys' room. The t-shirt was also in the boys' room only. Okay. Get it quickly. Come on, we don't want to miss.
The flight.
Sorry.
It's okay. Okay, burgers are almost ready. Okay, let's go. I'm hungry. Let's go to the backyard. Okay, understood.
We just tell it.
Yeah. Wait, guys, we actually
No.
want to show you.
No,
a
we don't
secret.
want. Oh, fine. Okay, let's show you the secret.
It's under here.
Wait.
Bro, come on, Parth.
See?
Yeah, there are all these things dancing.
Yeah, it's pretty weird. Let's just go up. I
The
don't.
girl is saying, guys, follow me, but we do not want to miss the burgers.
Let's take a seat.
Yeah. Wait a sec. I think I can see.
His health. What happened to his health?
No, not that.
No, wait.
Why does Dad have a rotten burger?
Oh yeah, you're right.
I do. I am so hungry.
Yeah. Tejas, are you okay?
Alright.
Tejas, are you okay? One for Shweta.
Shweta, Parth, that is us basically. One for Rosie.
You should
And
not.
one for Tejas.
You should actually not eat your burgers right now because later, if your health goes down, you can eat them later.
Okay, so don't eat them.
That's all of them. Enjoy. Bro, you had like so many burgers. Hello everyone. We are back on Bloxia State News. Huh? What's Bloxia State? Oh god, I by mistake ate it.
Bro.
No! I clicked on the jump button and I ate it again. It's okay, leave it. Even I'll eat it. I'll finish it. I'm done too. What? How did that happen? Oh my god. That's so sad.
Oh no.
The grill is still on, Dad. Dad is a bit irresponsible.
Yeah.
How could
Put it into the water. Or put water on.
Yeah, Dad's right. How could somebody escape from that? Oh my, look at the time.
What is it, Dad? Tell the time at least.
We're running late for our flight. You never told us. You were the one taking so much time making the burgers. Unless, follow me. Dad, where are you taking us?
Come on, it's a little fast if you can.
Yeah, we're missing our flight here. Okay, fine. Let's not be mean to Dad. Okay, God. Why am I walking slow if Dad is? I literally overtook Dad already. Where is Dad taking us?
I don't know.
What is this? What is this place?
There might be aeroplanes inside because it is showing aeroplanes on the garage door.
Yeah.
That is unusual.
The garage, yeah, the garage. Yeah, why the garage? Oh my god!
My prediction was right.
This?
Then I will do till deciding who to take general poncho or then you will do. Okay?
It's also more fun than walking. I'm really bad at flying airplanes. I've never flew an airplane in my life.
Yeah, but too small, I think. They're giving us 10 seconds to come on our aeroplane. And we're sitting. Dad, come on, you're blind.
But we'll try our best.
Yeah.
I'm scared. What if we die?
Now what should I do?
What? Yeah, he's right. Tejas is right. We don't even have to fly them. We'll have to find out. Just be careful with the obstacles.
Obstacles are there.
Oh, God.
This thing is glitchy.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
There were cops in the left, I think. I think I saw cops in the left. Go a little down.
No, we'll be fine. See?
Nice. Bro, be careful. Why is this so glitchy?
Probably because we're not allowed to fly planes. Oopsie doopsie. Wait. No. Ah. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. We're gonna die. Oh God. We made it. Hush.
Once I died over there.
Yeah, I die then mostly. Perfect. Bro, did you even care about how much?
I forgot to tell you, flying over there is illegal. Hopefully nobody saw you. No, I saw cops at the left.
We saw
Cops at the left.
Dad, we saw cops. What we saw? There were so cops. Yeah, but there were so cops. Yeah, they were. I don't know why, but I think it really was. No. I don't want to get arrested.
Yeah.
I should have kept that burger. I don't know why. I wanted to get a... But I made a mistake. Isn't this the airport we saw at the start? I'm already inside.
Right.
How did he just randomly change? We need to get tickets, mister. Hello?
Yeah, we don't care what you're saying, bro. Give us free.
Attention everyone to the room. Oh my God! We gotta go.
Okay, come on. We gotta put our baggage over there, right? I cannot even take out my baggage. Okay, now we can take the ticket. Oh my gosh, what is happening? Okay, we got drop baggage. There we go, perfect. Eesh. We're glitching.
No, I don't want to miss the flight. I do not want to miss the flight.
We're glitching. Are you serious? Are you kidding me?
No, we'll automatically teleport. Don't worry.
Few.
Hopefully.
Yeah, right. We're glitching. Sad.
Okay.
Oh, that was so close.
Quickly go in charge.
Bro, where are we supposed to go?
Dad is inside.
Where? Oh,
You need to go. Oh my God, my sister.
sorry. Can I sit? Wow. Our legs cannot even help us, bro. What dummy legs?
You
cannot
are
sit.
a dummy.
We cannot sit. We have to stand on these chairs. Waiting. Let's go. Okay, you start. We don't know where it is. Okay, you know what? I'm leaving. We cannot go more ahead. You know what? Take my ticket. I need to go
I
ahead.
want to leave Dad. Dad is evil. Yes, that's correct. Yes.
Don't worry, you're just in time. Phew. That's our plane. If you can see over there.
Hopefully Dad
Okay.
doesn't. We don't have anything on us. Wait, what?
Huh? What do I have? Guys,
Arey, just go through the metal detector.
I went.
Go again.
Dad brought weapons.
What?
Oh, they said I can't go, even me. Okay, phew. Something's not right. Wait a minute. I'm doing my exercises over here.
Yeah.
Oh no, I don't like how that sounds.
Yeah, you can't go to.
Oh, they are the cops.
Oh no, police officer.
They are the cops I saw when we were flying the plane. Oh my gosh, my throat is gone so bad. Now can we sit? See?
Dad
in big
cheated
trouble.
us.
Wait here until we get all the paperwork ready.
We have a flight to catch.
I'm escaping. I can see so many vents. I'm just...
Just stay up there. There are gonna be monsters, I think.
Okay. I fell down. Maybe they won't let us go.
Just stay up here. Yeah, this is good.
I'm gonna stay there because all these vents weren't opening. This one should open.
As soon as we die, we're gonna end the video, okay?
Huh? Skeletox.
Who is Skeletox?
Oh my gosh.
I'm scared. My plan is finally complete.
Are you enjoying the show, humans? No.
No, your world will soon be the property of
The undeads. First, I used angry humans to help me build an army, but now I can take over the world by myself. What? How are you so powerful, bro? How? Don't worry, you'll be a part of my army too.
No, we don't know.
No.
No.
Bro, this vent is also not working. I guess none of the vents work. You're gonna die. See in the afterlife. Muahaha. I guess you're right. There are none of the vents are working.
We're gonna die. Wait.
I did not get a baseball bat.
No, did I?
They got a baseball bat. I didn't. The cops are back. Let's ask them for help. But something seems wrong. The skin tone and the eyes.
I don't think those cops are friendly.
Uh-huh.
Okay, bye.
Oh, the baseball bats are here. I need to grab them. Bro, let me grab the baseball
Take
bat.
out the ticket.
Oh. What are they doing to Dad? I'm gonna grab the baseball bat.
We're gonna die.
Yeah,
Go up.
I'm gonna go up. What? Cops can also climb.
When we die. Read now, Mama.
Do you understand what Mama is
Mama,
saying?
when we die. Mama, wait, please, Mama.
You know what? Let's be courageous. Kill them. Bro.
on what? Phone? No,
No, we're gonna die. Nah, bro.
There's so much time.
you also played so much of time.
I just did 5 rounds. Oh my gosh, you should have kept the burger.
I don't know. We have like 0 health.
Maybe I can hit from here. No, I can't.
Be courageous, Navya.
No, beta, it takes time.
We died.
Oh, guys, I think we're gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Like and subscribe.
Bye.